So, I've been riding the Bajaj Pulsar NS200 BS7 for a while now, and honestly, this bike still feels like a proper street weapon even in 2025. Let's start with the engine. The 109 9.5cc motor is punchy, and once you cross around 4,000 RPM, it just comes alive. It pulls hard, feels smooth in the mid-range, and on highways, it's genuinely fun to push. But it's not perfect. In city traffic, you will feel a bit of heat, and those vibrations around mid-RPMs. Not crazy, but noticeable if you ride daily. Now comfort. This is where opinions split. The seat is on the harder side. Short rides? Fine. Long rides? You'll definitely want a break. Mileage is decent. I'm getting somewhere around 30-35 km/h depending on how I ride it. Handling though? That's the best part. It corners confidently, feels stable, and honestly gives you a slightly premium feel for the price. So, is it worth your money? If you want performance and fun over comfort and features, yes, absolutely. But if you're looking for relaxed daily commuting, you might want to think twice.